Hello and welcome back to another episode of Code 2 Destabilised by Kiwi. I just ran up here. I didn't really do anything though. I don't know. I'm not prepared for this, but yeah, I just kind of want to keep going. I think. I think let's look at these. Let's look at these. Maybe we can do them. So this one made sense. I don't hate this. This one is very confusing. I don't really know what I can do here. I don't know how to parse it, because it's the segments, right? Like it is the how you like the same thing as it's another one here too, right? This is also about the segment somehow. This I don't know what you, because like these are sort of to a number, kinda. But like, I don't know. You didn't want me to count. How do I count them? How many Xboxes are there? I don't know, maybe we count that. Maybe how many slot machine numbers are there? There are a bunch of them though. How many Mumbos? I don't know if there's more than one. I don't know if Mambo number 5 is like titled that because there were, 4 before that and this was the 5th one. Or if Lou Bega just wrote one Mambo and that one is called Mambo number 5 just because it sounds good. I don't know. And I don't know, are there more? Is there more than one magic bar? I don't know. But I can't really count. Let's look up magic bar, see if that gives me. Because like, magic 8 bar, right? That's the thing, right? If I just Google magic bar, gives me magic 8 bar. And 8 bar is like the billiard bar with the 8 on it. But there are more than 8 billiard bars, so if but then it's not magic. Like the only one that's magic is the magic 8 bar. None of the other ones are magic. So if we're counting them, or do we say magic bar and then like because what is pink? Is like a thing of that category? No, what is pink again? You could say it's a billiard ball, but there are more than 8. How many billiard bars? How many? It depends on which type of billiard you're playing too, right? There are 22 billiard bars. That makes sense. Maybe. I mean, but for what is that? Ah, man, which one? Poor bars are used to play various poor games. 8 bar, 9 bar. Okay, so 8 bar. So you say the magic bar is the 8 bar, and the 8 bar is the type of poor we're playing. How many? I don't know. 8 bar is a discipline of pool played on a billiard table with 6 pockets, cue sticks, and 16 billiard bars, a cue bar and 15 object bars. Object bars include 7 solid colored bar, number 1 through 7, 7 stripe bars, number 9 through 15. But then the 8 bar is solid colored, right? So that would be the 8th, but then it's 8 again. There's 7 other solid color bars, and then 7 striped bars and the cue bar, but there's no like clear what do you want there. this is like weird. Mambo. Let's actually number 5, sure. Mambo number 5 is an instrumental mambo jazz dance song originally composed and recorded by Cuban musician Damaso Perez Prado in 1949. German singer Lou Bega sampled the original for a new song. Yeah, it's only, I mean, Mambo number 5 is the only one on that album that has like a number. I don't know. I don't know. But I don't know how we, like, how this makes sense to count them. And then the slot machine number. There are more, obviously. There's like, it depends on your slot machine too. There's an infinite possibility of Simbers there. And then it also isn't like the classic one has like 3 slots, I guess. But there are ones with like 5 slots too, I'm pretty sure. Like, I don't play slots, but like, that's not, I don't know what you want me to count. And I don't know how many Xboxes there are. But like, there's the original, the 360, the 1 at least. That's 3 different ones. I don't know, this is just confusing. Oh yeah, Series X and Series S. Forgot about those, those are the more recent ones. So there's like 5 different Xboxes. I don't know how you want me to like environmentally count anything there. This should be 8571 maybe. Because like, I mean, there is the 360 and the Series X and Series S, but those are not numbers. This is like Xbox One, the 7 on the slot machine, Mambo number 5, Magic 8 Bar. It's not though. This one I was thinking about, yeah, you could just, but I don't like this. I also don't know how to make it a number actually. Do we have a way to do it? But I don't like this, because these don't solve. These don't actually solve. I guess that's why I don't get to input the thing, but then there are, in my mind, those are invalid. And I don't like it. But this is Y-O-G-I, so it's just Yogi for Yogi Bear. But that doesn't, I is not a word. I guess I is a word, but Chi is not a word. O is not a word. Y is not a word. I would be a word, technically. I use that one sometimes. Anyway, but then, okay, do we then, that's a 0, that's a 6, that's a 1. What's a Y? Is a Y 4? It's been a while. Let me look that up actually. No, isn't the... Is the R 4? No, the 4 is an A. What's a Y? 7 is a T. 3 is an E. Y doesn't look like any any numbers. So I still don't know what this is then. Because 0, 6, that makes some sense, but like the Y doesn't. Well, let's just brute force it. 1, 0, 6, 1, that's not it. Um, 2, 0, 6, 1, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0. Is there really none of those? What else is this then? It's gotta be this. It's silly, but it's gotta be this. I don't know. Oh, whatever. I don't know. These I don't agree with them. Okay, here, you know, okay, I've never really wanted to engage with this. Okay, if you do a 5, it's like this, right? So that like covers every segment or every part of this other than like this one and this one. And then we do a 3. That's all but these two. And then a 4. But what are we doing? Are we the ones that are like in all of them? Or the ones that are left out of all of them? And we're counting them, that makes sense. In this case, I just don't know which one we're counting. Just this left over, and then on the 3 it would be this left over, and on the 4 it's also this. So it would be 1 if it's the leftover ones. And if it's the one that are in each of them. Why is this so annoying? Is this entire line for the 4 and for the 3? That's annoying to visualize. So the 5 and the 3 overlap like here, here, here. Man, it's annoying to think about. Because it's 3 different ones. That's very annoying to think about. Let's just assume it's the empty ones instead. 3, 1, 5. Is 1 again? That can't be right. Okay, 0, 0, 5 would be 1 again. No, it'd just be 0, actually. And if it's the overlapping ones, that's easier because it's just 2 digits. It's these 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's too many, right? Why is this so weird to do? I hate this. And the 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them that overlap, right? I don't know. Because the 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? And then it's not overlapping here with the 0. So it's too high a number, so it can't be that. So if it's not that, some of them not overlapping, but then how do we do that? Because there's nothing empty. I don't know. What do you want me to count here? Can I like draw this? Because like I don't know. Where would I go to draw this though? Like if I just did like a paint thing. I'm annoyed with this. All these are very annoying. Okay, let me just like, who cares? Actually, make it a square and copy it. Why are you doing? You so annoying. Like this is more complicated than it needs to be. I'm pretty sure, but it's okay. There we go. We'll be alright, we'll be alright, give me a second. I could have done this off camera, sure. But like, I always feel like if a game makes me do annoying things, then you have to be annoyed too. That's the way it goes. It's not my fault. It's the game's fault. But if I port this over here, okay. And now we just like made 3 of these, and then we'll go, there we go, and now let's capture this so you can see what we're doing. Where's my paint menu there? That doesn't look right. It's just a line on the screen. Why is that? I'm cropping too much of it. I see. From the last time we used this. It still does not show the whole window though, somehow. It's just empty. How is this empty? There's a thing here. I can see it. Oh, because of the transparency maybe? Does that not capture the... No, it just doesn't capture the actual, like, image in paint here. You can't see, I know, but like... That's very confusing. If I paint this, no, it just doesn't... Why can you not capture paint? I'm sure I've done it before. Like none of the... Are these like separate windows or something? Does it not recognize that this is... It might not recognize that. No, but it also doesn't capture like the... It doesn't capture anything there. This is no work. Yeah, okay, I can't show that. Okay, well, you can't see it then. Everything is annoying about this. Good job. Alright, and then I'll do... So what I'm doing is I'm making these like transparent layers with the grid, and then I'm just gonna paint in the numbers and see what I see. Because I can't, my head can't process this while talking and being annoyed, you know? Mostly being annoyed, I think, is what's doing it, but you know. So that's a 0. Oh, no, it's an 8 actually. Wait. Right, and then we'll go like green here. Or something. I don't know, maybe this makes sense. I'll go blue for the 5. Right. I don't know what you want from that though. Like there's one that's just on the 5. There are 10 that are in every one of them, and then there are 2 that are just in the zeros. So none of that really makes any sense to me. Like I don't know what you want me to count. I mean, the 10 is like kind of out, I guess. But like, just because, right? There's no, it's not like, oh, this makes sense. I don't know. I wish you could see this at least, and all of this would be more worth it. The visualization that I've worked on so hard, you know. I was have to undo it all because I didn't save the file first. I don't know. Lingo number. Alright, and then I guess I'll do 335, see what that gives me. Start with red again. Then we go green. Then I'll go blue. And I'll do a 5. I don't know. I mean, there's one that's just in the 2 3s. There's one that's in... Wait, why is this one different? Because I picked the wrong card here. Yeah, there's one that's just in the 5. There's one that's in all of them. There's one that's in none of them. What are we counting here? I thought this would make sense if I looked at it, but it doesn't. Very confusing. Very confusing indeed. I don't understand why this doesn't capture the actual, like if I can show you, I guess. It just doesn't actually capture, there's like, there's a painting here, like there's a picture here, there's like, I'm doing things, but like it doesn't show up at all in the capture, I don't understand. Anyway. 3-1. It can't, I don't know why, it just doesn't exist here. 3-1-5. I don't know if we're counting. I do not know what we're counting. There are 4 in each of them. How many did that have that had each of them? Like more than that, right? How did that change again? Like many more. Because the 5 overlaps in like order, like it's 9 plus this 10 again, like it's too many. I don't know if we're counting it. I thought this was just gonna be like, I thought it was gonna be annoying, but like I thought I had an idea that works. It doesn't. It does not. Anyway, let's get this off the screen again. Again, it doesn't show anything anyway. Because for some reason it doesn't capture right. This is also weird because I don't know what you want me to do with that. I do think it's just yogi, but I don't know how to make that a number. If it's not just 0061 at the end, and it's not because I tried all the other first digits. Alright, whatever, we're moving away from this. This is silly. This is a silly place. I don't want to be here anymore. Get me back to the 50, were they? I always lose them. This was the, I did look at this because it was annoying me and I didn't want to do it in the video. So this is like the 3rd room or whatever in the first code, and it's binary, so like brainy, and like this is, oh I don't remember now. This is 1 and this is 0, or the other way around. So it's about 3, maybe 3 0 2 1. Just annoying. Like for reference stuff is just so annoying. Just give me new things. Don't like remember this. Come on, do it again. Not really though. It's different. What does that anagram to? Is that French for anything? Like déjà vu's? Never seen, okay. Never seen this. You want me to invert this maybe? So we go 0 3 1 2. Nope. Is this the same purple? It is. But like from here it's not. That's weird. It looks like lavender here. Like that's not the same color as the purple on the wall, but once you get in there it is. But what you like, I've never seen this. Okay. What's the point? Or is it just the same again? What was the other one? No. That doesn't make sense. If this is 1, it would be this, right? 0 3 1 2. Also, like, what are the odds, right, that we do this late enough in the thing to get like, oh, this just changed to 2020. That is stupid. That's a stupid puzzle. That's a really stupid puzzle. Don't like it. 2 question mark 2, 2 question mark 2, 2 question mark 2, 2 question mark 2. Use each once. Plus times like to the power of squared or whatever, and then what is 2 arrows up? I don't know. But like 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4. You know, 2 squared is 4. I don't know what that operator is, but like since you don't give me an order, it has to be R4s, I guess. One right, none left. Actually, I need to fix my capture thing because I messed around with it and now it's off and I hate it. There we go, much better. One right, none left, sets of 4. Green to yellow. What? Huh? Oh, that's the degrees thing spinning. One right, none left. Green to yellow, sets of 4. And this is a left turn, then it's a right turn. So it's like 0, 1, like none and 1. Are we doing binary stuff? I'm not sure. And then we make them sets of 4. I guess maybe. Yeah, sure. So 0, 1, 1, 1. Alright, so left turn is 0, and a right turn is 1, a right turn is 1, a right turn is 1. Then we turn left, which is a 0 again, and immediately right. And right again. And left, 0, 1, 1, 0. And wait, we've turned now. So we're here, right? Right, left. Left, left. Right, left, 0, 0, 1, 0, left, right. I miscounted somewhere, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one is 1, 2, 3. Yeah. It's like left, right, left. Left. I don't know if I did the middle one right there. The third one, I mean. So 0, 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0. Wait. This is so annoying to do again. Because my process is bad. Because I need to stop, but then I don't know if I stopped in the turn or before the turn or after the turn. It's stupid. I need to be consistent, and I don't like this. I guess we could just do the whole thing in one. Like, okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Right. I can't. Like, this is... Where was I? 0, 1, 0. It's not enough. How did enough turns? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm here. I'm gonna turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's left, right, left, left. So this last one is a right. This is 1, 2, 3. This is not hard. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this ends on a 1, right? It's left, left, right, right, I think. 0, 0, 1, 1. So we start with 7, then we go 6, then we go 3, 4. 7634 maybe? I hope that's right. I don't want to think about this anymore. Oh, I see. Top white. Sounds like OIC. And we count lime, which is like whatever, I don't know. Lime makes no sense. Lime top. I don't know what to do with that. OIC. But it's not lime top, it's white top. It's just lime on the floor. But what does that mean? Because it's like sound, language, category stuff. But it doesn't on the floor? I don't know. I don't know what it does on the floor. But it's not like a... I don't think there's like anything that's like, oh, this is, you know... Like who says OIC? O, and then like it could be like IC. Like ICY, IC, OIC. But I don't know how to, like, I don't know what we're counting in that. Sounds like OIC. It could be like the letters OIC, you know? That's just, that doesn't make sense. I don't know. I don't know what like lime, half orange floor is. These are like the floor mixed color ones, just always. Have you seen lime on the floor somewhere? Where we had like more context maybe and could figure it out. Well, here, but they couldn't figure that one out either. I don't know what you want me to do with lime on the floor. Lime is like very different weird things depending on where it is. Because it's the middle is language of the word. So if it's like, you know, like the one was lime where it was Catalan, right? Where Catalan was a language. It was the... And like bottom is category. So the opposite of like pink, magenta, whatever, bottom. Which, do we have that somewhere here? No. And like top would be the like nothing. Sounds like nothing is silence, and then like green or lime is like the other way around. So it would be like silence. What does silence sound like? It sounds like nothing. We would put in nothing, I guess. It's a bit weird, but yeah. But I don't know what it does on the floor. And environmentally top, so like it sounds like an environmental W makes no sense. Green top just inherently makes no sense, if you ask me. We're solving way too few puzzles here. I'm very unhappy. Should be making more progress. Not just here, overall in this guest zone. This is gonna take forever if I keep going like this. I might have to like just get solves and then show you the solves instead of doing this. But this is more fun for me. Like here. Like top, like what goes ding a bell, hola is Catalan, or like Spanish depending, you know. And then this actually doesn't make sense. Because I don't know what that is. Let's solve this, because you can, maybe. We still have it. Paste bin. What was it? NV... yeah. Which one? Let me input one. No, not this. Not this. I've got so many of these stupid websites. None of them let me do what I want. No, no, they are just give you the puzzle. Like, who would like want to solve a puzzle? Now, obviously, that's like the normal use case for these. It makes sense, but like, I have a very specific use case where I want to make my own puzzle and then solve it. And that's just not a thing. That's not any, like, that's not something anyone has to offer, apparently. Check for errors, toggle display, doctor position. Yeah, but there's no custom on this. No. I'm very annoyed. Now I can't even find the one that had the auto solve. Is it this one? No. They'll just give you a puzzle. Where's the one? I can't even find that one anymore. It's crazy. The website's gone. Oh man, I'm annoyed by this. Could I draw this? Sure, but I don't want to draw it, because then like I can't. I want to just like mess around in it, because I don't have like great slitherlink strategies, because I've never done one of these, so I don't know where to start, really. I think I could logic my way through it, but I want to like trial and error it a bit, and I can't really do that on paper, because then I can't like undo moves, right? So I just want like a thing where just I can tell it this is the puzzle, let me now try and solve it. And I can't even find the one where I can like put in like it's, I don't know, it's gone. Wasn't this? Was it? Maybe it was this. How big was this one? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, right? This is the one that solves, yeah. It has like a different, it's the one to click, right? I hate this. I hate everything about this. Makes me mad. It's like such an easy thing. Like this has a thing to input the thing, but then you can like just auto solve it. I guess this is where like you have one on paper, right? And you want to see the solution. You want to cheat or like compare, I guess. Maybe just check your solution. I don't know. So that's what you do here. But like, why? This website also has a way to solve puzzles and make, like, generate. Like, why not just let me move this one over? And it has like a save button too, but it doesn't do anything. I thought if I could save it here, that's what I tried last time, and then I deleted it because I saved it and I thought maybe I can load it in the other view, and I couldn't. And then it also couldn't load it here anymore, so it was just gone. And I got mad at that, and I'm still mad at it. Anyway, I'm mad. That's the bottom line. Lots of these puzzles are just like specifically targeted at me. No, that's not true. But it feels like they're designed to make me mad. None of them are targeted at me. For sure. And like this was one where like you could just have made this puzzle somewhere and then like linked me to that instead of making me do the hard work, you know? Like usability wise, this could have been nicer. Like this one specifically, right? You just make this exact little link on like one of the websites and link me to your puzzle, and I just saw it there. And this is also impossible because none of the websites let you do that, maybe. And you were also mad at all of them for that reason. Then I commiserate, and maybe I can forgive you. Who made this again? I don't know the name now. Okay, so 2 3 2 2 2 1 1 1 1 1 3. Yes. 2 3 R space is there. 2 2, and then it goes 1 space 2 1 1 2 3 2 space 2. This is not a good solution that it's given me here. This is not a solution, by the way. What are you doing, game? Or game? I must have made a mistake transcribing this, because it's very annoying to do. Two three 2 3 1 space 1 2 2 space 2 space 2 space 1 2. This is wrong, I think. Something's wrong. Yeah, I skipped like a line again, I think. So easy to do here. This line is wrong. The fifth row, 1 2 3 4 5. It starts with a 2 space 1. Did I offset them all? Maybe space 2. Yeah, great. 3. This is very annoying. Yeah, this is just very annoying to do. I lost the line again. It's so hard to see because this is such an ugly formatting on the in the pastebin too. It's crazy bad. Anyway, 1 1 1 1 2 3. Where is that now? Doesn't exist. Combine some ones, like 2 of them here or something. 2 1 2 3 2 2. Yeah. The next one is 1 1 1 1 2 1. Then it goes 2 1. 3 2 2 2. It looks better. 1 9 5 4. It would have been really fun to do, but like there's just no way I'm gonna do this because it's too annoying. 1 9 5 4. What? 4 5. What? That is the solution. What are you talking about? How is it not a solution? Where's my mouse? I don't know, apparently it's not a solution. What else can it even be though? I would say like nothing. Because that is what I see. Is there any other way? Could the floor, I mean, is count? Is 1945? What are they talking about? So the solution to the slither link is 1945. That's what the lines look like in the solution here. According to the website at least, that it didn't actually solve it. But like, what do you want me to do with that then? I mean, we were counting, are we counting the letters in the... I don't know, maybe we're doing that. 1 is 3. 9 is 4. 4 is 4. 5 is 5. Isn't it? I don't know, maybe. I mean, there's also this. I thought this was just because it's from a different thing, but I guess not. I guess it's a different panel, but like on the floor? I don't know. What else could I count? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what you want me to do with this. Also, why is this big? I don't know what that means. I don't know. I thought this little link would just give us a solution. I didn't really think about how it would work, but yeah, it just draws the outlines of the numbers. I can actually show you that. Kinda, anyway. Does that show anything? No. It doesn't really render right for some reason. Oh, it's just a preview look bad. Okay, I think that looks fine. Let me transform this. Like so, maybe? It's fine. I mean, that's 1945, I'm pretty sure. I have no idea what you want me to do with that, though. Alright, that's great. Very good, very good. I don't know. Well, I mean, yes, there are colors on the floor here, but the colors on the floor don't make sense. It's not like, you know. And here we have all these swords, and I still don't really know what you want me to do at all. Because it's just like a mess of different panels that like are somehow loosely related, yes, but like, you know. And like I just don't know what lime floor is. And I don't know how to find out. Because like, we count the sound of the environmental W. What is environmental W? Like, why is this green? What is a dop green W? There's no W anywhere that we could look at and then do something with. I don't know. Sound. I mean, yeah, W is a weird letter, and it has like it's two U's if you want to like be like weird about it. But I don't know what I'm counting. And I'm not counting environmentally, so why is this even a green top at all? Like what? I don't know what the first step of this is. Which would be to solve this panel, but again, maybe it's just not really solvable like the Yogi Bear ones, because they're not words, so they're like not valid solutions for a panel actually. Also, like this, because actually what this is telling me to do is to scramble these. But then the password is just 2020, or what it was here. It's also telling me to scramble these too. So there's a lot of like just like not valid stuff. Which like I get it, like you're being more like abstract with a lot of the puzzles, but I dislike the use of like Lingo base functionality, as in you have a panel with a color and like letters in them, but then I don't really do the base color transformation on the thing that's in the panel, because that's wrong. That's not what this is. This is not how that works. Then make a sign. If you just want to convey some information, just write it on the wall. Right? Like something like this. This is not a panel, right? It doesn't have to be a painting like that, but like I dislike that. Anyway. Because then you do use them normally still, and I feel like you can't have your cake and eat it too. Either like the panels are the panels, or the panels are not the panels. You can't have like this panel is the panel, but this panel is actually not that panel. It's like different. I don't like it. And maybe, I don't know. Maybe there's reasoning and like there are excuses for how these are used and stuff, but like I don't like it. Anyway. Because then that makes everything like weird and up in the air. Because then like I can never be certain if I'm looking at a panel or not. Anyway. $46 done. That's still 20%. No, it's 30%. I want to get at least to 70. I don't know if we can 100% this, because a lot of these are just like very confusing. And I'm sure we could like do more on a bunch of them that I skipped because they annoyed me initially. Like I'm sure we could figure this out if we went back. I just don't want to go back. It's just like the last thing I want to do ever. And then this I don't have like any idea for at all still. This we got, right, this we got, and I guess this only opens once this is done, which is annoying. Or these are done, maybe one of them, who knows. I don't know. This is, I don't know. This doesn't even seem like a puzzle. Here I'm also still like not sure what we're doing. Because 2 of the paintings, or at least one, definitely seems completely useless. I don't know, maybe like, okay, it took me a bit to see like that those are roots and then there's just a square and this is a cube. Maybe there's like something similar going on here, but maybe not. Because that's another thing with these is like they're like just these, like this is completely unrelated, right? This is just very different. It's just like random ideas for puzzles. So there's not like this theme or like this like through line where you can go like, okay, we're doing like something along those lines. I don't know. And this is also so weird, like... Because like 4, that would be like 4 different counts. Do we count just... How many letters is this? This is 4, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 9. Do we just go 4, 6, 7, 9? No. Was that even the right? No, it was 2, 4, 6. It was 7, 8, right? 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's just 4 counts. You count the top one first because we just count all of them. But then here we don't have. Do we do the same thing here? Why is there this square? It doesn't really make sense to do the same thing here. But there's no orange. Like this time we have no color on the floor. I guess we have like blue, purple, purple, blue. But that doesn't give us numbers. I don't know what the square is. Anyway, but yeah, okay. It's just 4 different counts. And we start there, and then we go here, and then we go here, and then we go here. Weird, weird, weird. But I guess we got one. It's a win. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.